raising the price on tracks cleaning for window cleaning. I want to talk about this. We're raising the price dramatically. If let me know what you do in your business. I hate cleaning tracks. Getting in someone's house with disgusting sponges and blue rags and buckets, cleaning all the gunk and crap. It just sucks. So I've talked about this and with my right hand man about quitting it altogether. He's like, you should just discontinue it, dog. I hate doing it. I'm like, I hate doing it too, but I'm not going to discontinue it. I'm going to jack the prices up on it really high and offer what Bill Barron, who's like a consultant in the internet world, he talks about having a premium package that when people do buy it, then you're not mad because you make good money at it. So the hard part is when I'm on the phone with customers now, a lady just called, left a message, called her back about offering track cleaning. So we call it the Works package, which is window cleaning inside and outside plus track sills and screens. We come inside the house and we thoroughly scrub out all the tracks, gears, and components and everything and wipe down the sills. It's very messy, nasty. You gotta be careful. It just sucks. So because you could spend 5 hours in one house and leave like, oh, I don't ever want to do that again. But anyways, I'll be raising the price a minimum of an extra $100 now to clean the tracks, or it'll be $20 per window instead of $7 for the glass inside and out. I used to charge $12 to do the tracks and sills now. Now it's going up to $20. So a house that would normally be let's say 20 windows on a ranch or two-story house, which would be $199 to clean the windows, and it would be like, what would we charge, like $250 to $300 maybe if we're doing all the tracks. It's going all the way up to $400 now. So they're gonna be like, damn. You feel like you're disrespecting customers over the phone. Like, dude, they're gonna be like, are you effing kidding me? I'm gonna leave a bad review right now. Who does this company think? $400 to clean my windows? There are really people like that, right? And I have to describe it to them and educate them. Okay, well, we would be coming inside of the house with buckets and sponges, and we'd thoroughly clean. It takes we've clocked it 14 minutes per window. It's scrubbing thoroughly. We don't get out dentist hooks and magnifying glasses, but I mean, we thoroughly are soaking up all that stuff and scrubbing it all down. If the condition of your windows aren't that bad, once I look at them, then it'd be $15 a window. But if they're, it's standard, I don't even want to say that unless they're really, question the price. But I mean, $20 a window if it's, you know what I'm saying. And so that's what I'm doing now, and I'm relaying this to you in case you want to try that in your business. If you do window cleaning and you want to offer track cleaning service, or you do it and you hate doing it, and it doesn't matter if you're making decent money, you just hate it, jack the prices up. Don't eliminate it completely unless you've got so much work coming in. One of my window cleaning mentors in the beginning, he said, because I had this moral, ethical issue, this debate of like, I wanted to keep, I couldn't stand not offering people track cleaning service and doing it. I felt like I was ripping them off. Why would I clean the glass and then it's all nasty underneath? I'm a liar. It's like cleaning someone's house and not sweeping underneath the carpets, shit underneath the rug, or taking your truck to the car wash and not cleaning the underbody. Like, I'm a thorough person, aren't you? And especially if you clean windows, you see cleanliness in a different way. He's like, Keith, you're in the business to make money, not to be obsessed with, cleaning all your customers' tracks. Stop offering track cleaning service and get out there and just bang out glass and make effing money, bro. I was like, yeah. So it takes years for shit to set in with me. Because, I mean, we're a 5-star agency. We have, like, the highest reviews in the city on Google. We got tons of positive reviews. And I think sometimes caring so much can give you a bunch of reviews, but it can make you a people pleaser. So it's time to done being a people pleaser. Stop being a people pleaser and make that money, dog. So the track cleaning service is now going to be changed on the website and in all communication. It's a minimum of $100 extra. So that's what it is, dog. Okay. Later. Banging out these phone calls, man. Got 2 phones. One is to my ear, and the other phone I'm typing in all the customer contact info. Later.